How to verify Facebook ads account. Verifying a Facebook ads account is an important step. It boosts trust, keeps your account secure, and unlocks extra features for advertisers. So let's get started. First, you need to go with your Facebook Business Manager, your central hub for managing ads, pages, and team members. Click on Login with Facebook, or you can also go with your Ads Manager or Meta Business Suite, and make sure that you use the account that has admin access to the ad account that you want to verify. And once logged in, you'll get this kind of interface. Now, you just need simply go with the left side panel where you have all of these tools. So you just need simply go with all tools, which will be on the left side. This is where you can manage safely and have features like two-factor authentication, and it's also where you'll start the verification process. If your account is eligible, you'll see an option to start verification. Facebook will ask for business details and documents such as registration papers or tax IDs. Make sure the documents are clear, accurate, and up to date. This will speed up your approval. That's it. Now you've verified your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.